Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode we can open the settings, and all we have to do is to simply swipe our finger from the right to the center of our device, just like that. And as you can see, all we have to do right now is to scroll down a little bit to find the countdown duration. Let's tap, and as you can see we've got three different options: the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay maybe. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here. And after getting back to the camera, unfortunately we do not have any kind of information, any kind of icon that we've got the timer, but that's okay. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, we've got it, so of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on off here. We've got it notified, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.